Gabriel. I've already been on the island for quite a bit of time.
Yes.
I've been cooking on the island, being a part of different things, but we just got introduced to a new project. Well, I just got introduced to a new project called I Love Pizza, located over at Bochincha. And
Okay, nice.
Nick, he's from the U.S. and he brought me onto his team, and now we're teaming up to bring some pizza and wings and different items, to that scene over there in the middle of downtown. This is Nick, by the way. Let him introduce himself.
Hi, Nick. How are you?
I'm great, great. Thanks for having us here. And I Love Pizza is an exciting new pizza shop that we're now open not just during the day to the customers at Bochincha, but we're also open at lunch and soon to be delivering. And
nice.
Oh, awesome.
Nice.
And I feel very lucky to have Chef Gabriel as my partner, and I just can't believe how great his wings taste. And
Yeah.
I'm just saying, time, Gabe, we need to have more wings selling at I Love Pizza.
Yes.
So I think that's one of our biggest things that we're trying to introduce now. We did open maybe a month and a half, 2 months ago
Oh, okay.
over at Bochincha, but we're kind of like in the trial period,
Yeah. of
giving
course.
people a chance also to come and taste the pizza. We're going to implement wings as well. We have a few flavors already in the works.
Yes.
But we want to make something exclusively unique to I Love Pizza. Yes, I am known for wings, but we want to make sure that people go to I Love Pizza for their specific wings. So
Okay.
I know that's something that we're working on and something we're super proud of. So
Okay. So,
What are the sizes that you can find? The pizza sizes.
Well,
there's just
right now
small,
we
medium,
just
large?
have a large pizza.
Okay.
That's we have basically one size pizza.
Okay.
We do slices.
Oh, you
of
do
pizza.
slices.
Yeah.
That's good.
Awesome.
Yeah, we do slices for people that don't want to get a whole pie.
Exactly.
But we also have a signature I Love Pizza pizza. So it's in
Alright.
the shape of a heart,
Aw,
and
that's nice.
for Valentine's Day we actually did pretty well with that because people wanted to give a heart pizza to somebody.
of
Like
course.
they
today
care
is
about.
a special day, right? It's Viernes Santo.
Yeah.
You don't
Good Friday.
Eat. Yes, Good Friday. There you go. What's the special you guys have? Any special? Or just-
We don't have anything
No?
specific for
Okay.
today. We can find a way to offer something with seafood on it, but if you don't, obviously you don't want to eat meat today, but you can add vegetables
Alright.
and
Or
all
just
kinds of other
cheese,
things on
a
it.
a good cheese pizza.
Good cheese pizza is great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, the base of all pizza is with cheese pizza.
Yeah,
So if you
exactly.
can't have a good cheese pizza, then yeah, you have to start from there.
Yeah, exactly.
So you're
And-
located again in Bochincha. When you enter, you go left or right?
So, well, you would go to the right side.
To the right, okay.
And actually, we introduced a drive-up window, not drive-through window, for people that don't want. If they
To
don't
go
feel
in.
like going inside and
Alright.
just want to grab something quick, they can WhatsApp us and they can order. Just pick it up right at the window outside.
So you'll be next to the coffee place.
We are literally right next to the coffee
Right.
place. So if you're gonna go to the drive-through of the coffee place, in that same drive-through, you
Okay.
just park in the left. There's a little sign that says "Parking here."
Alright.
Okay, awesome. And you mentioned that, I mean, everybody knows you from G&G's,
Yeah.
right? So you mentioned about the flavors. So there's gonna be exclusive flavors at the pizza place then?
Yeah, we're
Okay,
gonna have specific and just exclusive flavors.
Okay.
It's gonna have signature wing flavors just for I Love Pizza.
Okay,
And we have right now 4 flavors that we have in the works that we've already introduced. Now we just have to get people to taste it.
But can
so.
you tell us a little bit about the taste?
Yeah. Well, we have one that I named Sunday Barbecue because
Okay.
it gives more of that. When you go eat barbecue on a Sunday afternoon, you get more than just that flavor of regular barbecue
Yeah.
sauce. It's just something extra that happens with a Sunday barbecue.
Yeah.
So that's what this flavor tastes like. It has a hint of clove in it, so that kind of almost gives it that Hamdi Pasco and barbecue sauce
Oh, okay.
flavor to it. So that's one of them. We have one called Fireball Buffalo, and it has
It gets you going?
well, yeah, but it's like think of a fireball shot, something
Yeah.
similar to that, but
Okay.
with the kick of a buffalo sauce.
Okay.
So that's another flavor, and then we'll let people discover the other two if they visit us, and
Okay.
that way they can taste them for themselves.
All right.
I'm already
what's,
getting hungry.
What's the opening hours?
We open from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. during lunch hours, and then when Bochincha opens at 5, we open again from 5 until close. On the weekends, Bochincha stays open a little bit later. Sometimes we have events over there. And it's a great concept. I think, a lot of people, they get intimidated by having to figure out what to eat, but that's a great part of it. You have options there. You have a big bar in the middle that you can choose drinks from. And then eventually we're also going to be introducing our own signature drinks as well.
Awesome.
But that's more for people that just want to enjoy the atmosphere and sit down and just
Have
chill.
pizzas.
Yeah, have pizza and just chill. Yeah, exactly.
What inspired you to open I Love Pizza here in Aruba?
I was fortunate to have this unique opportunity with an existing pizza shop
Okay.
to get into a business that I had been accustomed to in the States. I'd been in the pizza business previously. And I just took a chance and went in there. And it's kind of funny. The best thing about this location is it's got this gorgeous oven that makes the most delectable, delicious pizza with a nice crisp crust.
Yeah.
And then you combine him with this guy's talents. I mean, he can do anything and make
do
it taste a lot
everything,
better
yeah.
than I can tell you. If you gave me the same product, him the same product, I didn't really believe it because I've been in the food industry my whole life. But Chef Gabe makes goodness and great taste come out of everything he prepares. So he's been recently also pasta bowls we have there, which are kind of a nice addition for
really?
lunch.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes. So no, it's just.
So definitely a place to visit.
Yeah, we're just trying to introduce some new things for Aruba to come and enjoy.
Okay.
So right now we actually have what's called our BOGO. So it's a buy one get one. And so for example, on our menu, if you order, let's say a large pizza, whatever you order next, the second item, if it's equal or lesser value, you get it for 50% off.
Awesome.
So we have that special going on, and that's something to kind of help people, get to know us a little
Yeah.
bit
Yeah,
better
of course.
and taste a few of our items instead of just specifically trying one.
Of course. And what
Great,
other
great.
items do you have on your menu? You said pasta, you said wings, there's
Yeah,
pizza.
right now it's just pizza, pasta, wings, and then we have garlic knots. So our own signature garlic knots. Garlic knots are basically a piece of it's like a
That's
garlic
dope.
breadstick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
and it has our flavorings to it. So garlic butter and a slight kick to it, a tiny little spice, but nothing
Alright, great.
overwhelming.
Awesome.
Well, guys, I give you the opportunity to invite our cool listeners to visit your shop.
All right, I'll let Nick do that. You can invite everybody over to I Love Pizza.
We would love to see everyone in Aruba at I Love Pizza. We're looking forward to servicing all the wonderful, tremendous people that live on this beautiful island. I'm ready to make it my home. Very close to being here full time. So I just appreciate you all. Anybody wants to stop in and see Chef Gabe or our wonderful staff there, you can just go right up to the window if you'd like. And order, or you can soon be ordering online, and also delivery coming soon.
Webpage?
Love
Have you
that.
guys a webpage or Facebook page?
We do have a Facebook page. You can find us under I Love Pizza.
All right.
We have Instagram, and you can order via WhatsApp, which makes it super easy.
Yes.
The number is 561-7313.
It's
So
on the page.
561.
It's on the page.
561-7313. Yeah, it kind of flows pretty easy.
Yeah.
It does.
So, yeah.
Okay.
All right,
Awesome.
guys. We wish you all the best with I Love Pizza,
Thank
and
you
hope
so
to see you
much.
back.
All right. Thank you for
All right,
having
thank
us
you
here.
guys. Thanks
We're
for having us in.
definitely gonna come visit because it sounds delicious.
Perfect.
I'm already hungry.
Awesome. All right. Thanks,
Yes.
guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.